Hi everyone, here we've got OPPO Reno for Lite, and let me show you how to block specific number on this device. So first of all, let me show you how to block a number from your contact list and then how to manually block a number. So first of all, let's open the dialer and go to your contacts. Now let's choose the one you want to block. Tap on the three dots icon and click on block numbers. I don't want to report it as a spam, click on block, and as you can see, it is immediately blocked, so it means that from now on you won't receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. Now let me get back and let me show you another option. It doesn't really matter if you will be on your favorites, recents or contacts. Simply tap on the three dots icon right here, tap on the settings, and here we've got the blocked numbers option. And as you can see here, we've got our blacklist. This is the number we just added. What's more, we can block all calls from unidentified callers. In order to turn it on, just tap on the switcher here. If you want to add a phone number manually, just tap here, and as you can see, now you can manually type the number you want to block. Click on block, and as you can see, it immediately appears on our blacklist. If you want to unblock the number, just tap on this X button right next to it and click on unblock. And as you can see, the blacklist is empty. Let's get back to our contact list and let's check if it has been unblocked. Tap on it, and as you can see, it is unblocked, so you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from that number. So that's all. This is how to block a number in your OPPO Reno for Lite. Thank you so much for watching, and if you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.